Wood, it's like cheese, but better. Have you ever watched a wood carver at work? Their hands move with such grace, effortlessly shaping wood into intricate designs. It's mesmerizing. Now imagine achieving that same level of fluidity and precision in your own woodworking projects. What if I told you that sculpting wood could be as smooth and satisfying as slicing through a block of cheddar? This isn't a woodworking fairy tale, it's about unlocking the secrets to make wood feel as pliable as cheese under your skillful hands. In this essay, we'll explore the techniques that will transform your woodworking approach. Get ready to experience the joy of watching wood yield to your vision, leaving behind beautifully sculpted masterpieces, whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out. These insights will empower you to tackle new projects with confidence. We'll delve into tool selection, explore unique carving methods, and uncover the secrets to achieving those flawless cheese-like finishes. Get ready to be inspired and unlock a world of possibilities in your woodworking journey. Every craftsperson knows that the right tools can make all the difference. Just like a chef needs quality knives, a woodcarver relies on a selection of trusty tools to bring their vision to life. But don't worry. You don't need a workshop overflowing with expensive gadgets to get started. First things first, chisels. These are your trusty sidekicks, the tools you'll reach for most often. Invest in a set of high-quality wood chisels in various sizes to handle different carving tasks. Look for chisels with sharp blades and comfortable handles for optimal control and precision. Next up are carving knives, essential for fine details and delicate cuts. A good carving knife should feel like an extension of your hand, allowing you to maneuver with ease and accuracy. Don't forget a mallet. This trusty tool will become your best friend when you need to apply controlled force to your chisels, ensuring clean and precise cuts. Now that you're familiar with the essential tools, let's dive into the heart of cheese-like wood sculpting, the techniques. Remember that block of cheddar we talked about? Imagine slicing through it with ease, peeling off thin, even layers. That's the feeling we're aiming for when carving wood. One technique that beautifully embodies this concept is the slicing and layering method. Begin by lightly marking your design on the wood surface, like tracing the outline of a delicious cheese wedge. Then, using a sharp chisel angled at about 20 to 30 degrees, begin shaving off thin layers of wood, following the contours of your design. For softer wood varieties like pine or cedar, try a gentle pulling motion with your chisel. This will help you achieve those satisfyingly smooth, cheese-like cuts. Remember to always carve with the grain of the wood to prevent splintering or tear out, ensuring a pristine finish. Section 4, finishing touches from rough cut to polished masterpiece. Congratulations, you've successfully sculpted your wood using the cheese-like techniques, transforming a rough block into a work of art. But the journey isn't over yet. Now it's time to add those finishing touches that will elevate your creation to the next level. Just as a cheesemaker carefully ages and refines their cheese for the perfect flavor and texture, we'll use sanding and finishing techniques to enhance the natural beauty of the wood. Start by using a coarse grit sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges or imperfections left behind from carving. Gradually work your way up to finer grits, sanding with the grain until you achieve a silky smooth surface. This process will not only enhance the tactile experience of your piece, but also allow the wood's natural grain patterns to shine through. Section 5. Tips and tricks, secrets from a woodworking enthusiast. Over the years, I've picked up a few tricks of the trade that have helped me achieve that coveted cheese-like carving style. And I'm happy to share these nuggets of wisdom with you. One of the most important things to remember is patience. Wood carving is a journey, not a race. Take your time, enjoy the process, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speaking of mistakes, they're inevitable, especially when you're first starting out. But don't let them discourage you. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and improve your technique. Embrace the imperfections as they add character and tell the story of your creative journey. Another invaluable tip is to keep your tools sharp. A dull tool is a dangerous tool, and it will make your carving experience frustrating and imprecise. Invest in a good sharpening system and make it a habit to hone your tools regularly. Section 6. Unleash your inner artist, carve, create, and inspire. As you embark on your woodcarving adventures, remember that the most important ingredient is your passion. Let your creativity run wild. Experiment with different wood types and techniques, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of what you thought was possible. Woodcarving is a deeply rewarding art form that allows you to connect with nature, express your creativity, and create lasting pieces of beauty. Embrace the therapeutic rhythm of carving, the satisfying feel of wood yielding to your touch, and the joy of bringing your unique visions to life. Share your creations with the world. Whether it's a simple spoon, an intricate sculpture, or anything in between, your work has the power to inspire others and ignite their own creative sparks. So go forth, carve with confidence, and let your imagination soar.